Hi mga boss! Welcome to my channel, SHIELA TV8. Thank you so much for joining, or thank you so much for watching my blog. This blog we will talk about in how you create or you make or you do a silent LS, or you want to do live stream on your YouTube account. But the problem is, you have less than 1,000 subscribers only in your YouTube. How you can do live stream with less than very effective 100 subscriber only? Check this out. So first we do is we go to our YouTube channel. Here, check this one, my YouTube channel example, and then your channel, you can see I have only 9 subscriber. And then if you press this one, the plus sign here downstairs, like that, you can see go live. If you press this one, go live, say, you can see this one, your channel does not meet our updated eligibility requirements for mobile live stream. You can still streaming with your webcam or broadcasting software. That's it says. Then how you can see, or how you can solve this problem, or how you can go live stream if it says like this? Well, we have our solution for that. So just keep on tuning in. Let's go. But if you're new to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell. Just click bell all so you will be notified for my upcoming videos. If you have comments and suggestions, you can put in or drop your comments in our section below. And if you want to support my blog, or you want to help others, you can share my blog. Thank you so much, and let's go. So here we go. Welcome to my Google Chrome, or to my Google account. So first we need to do is to go to your Google Chrome or Opera Mini, or whatever application you want or you use. So we need to go this one, the three dot, this one up. So you press this one, and then the desktop site. So just check this one, desktop site. So copy desktop site, press. Don't forget, this is very important, the desktop site. And then click this one, the video, YouTube. Press the YouTube. And then log in your account. I already log in my account, so it's already ready. Then press this one. We need this one, the video cam or video pictures. Here upstairs, this one we need. That one we need. I put red circle there. You can see that one we need. Just click that one. And then
now welcome to our live
just
streaming.
Go to
so here we go. First
go
we
live.
go up this one on the top. Here says create your title. Any title you want to put. For me,
Then
example is silent LS number 1. So I put here in the top. Then put public, or you want to public. If you want to schedule or schedule letter. And then no, it's not meant for kids, or yes, it's not meant for kids. It's up to you which settings you want to put. Then there's more option: camera, default, or advanced settings. Allow chat box, like the default allow chat box. Then after that, next. And then it says 1, 2, 3, say cheese. Here your face now. Your picture on your live streaming, or you can edit also this one. You can upload your custom thumbnail. You can read your custom picture, or you can edit your picture. Now, as what I do as mine, I already edit my picture. You can directly go to your gallery and choose which picture you want to put, or what picture you are ready to put in your live streaming. For me, example, this one I want to put. Then upload thumbnail, that's only you put. After that, just wait for a while after uploading, and then you can edit. If you have some forgetting something information about your live streaming, you can press in the side here, edit all the information you want to go, and then you start going live. Here we are now, we're on live. Welcome to our live stream, and this is Sheila at your service. You can start now talking, or here on the sides you can see your chat box. You can respond all the messages of your viewers who wants to communicate with you, or you want to drop the link, or you have paangat program, yan, you can drop all the messages in here. In this side, you can see whatever message you can put, or how you will welcome your viewers, like that. For example, you want to make pin messages on your chat box. You have some message to pin, so all the viewers can see directly what the most important message you want to put in your chat box. Here you can see the three dot on the side of the name. Just press this one. You can see there's a pin message and remove. So you see, you can press this one, pin message, and then down if you want to remove. Very easy to pin message, and then you remove the messages. And then here on the top, you can see the top, very top, there's three dot also. Here you can see there's a user message or remove, like that. For example, you miss something, or you want to edit some settings on your live stream, or some information about your live stream. Here down you can see edit button. Here you can edit your live streaming, or you can update all the information in your live streaming. And if you want to see the time, or how many hours you're been there as a live, or you having live, here upstairs the red one, live, and then how many people in your chat box watching you, and then how many likes you have on your live streaming. Here you can see on the top on it. That's it. Very easy and very simple on how you go live streaming in YouTube without using any application. Just go directly to your Google account, and then log in your account, and then go live. Thank you so much.